Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of hydration with the best Cure Electrolytes Powder Packets, a game-changer in staying refreshed and healthy. Whether you're battling dehydration after a tough workout, recovering from a long night out, or just need an afternoon pick-me-up, Cure Hydration is here to help. This product is a plant-based electrolyte drink mix, designed to provide rapid and effective hydration without the sugar overload that's often found in many sports drinks. What sets Cure apart is its commitment to quality ingredients. Made with coconut water and real fruit juices, it's vegan, non-GMO, and completely free of artificial sweeteners, making it a healthier alternative to many other options on the market. One of the key features of Cure Hydration is its remarkable ability to restore your body's balance. It contains 4 times the electrolytes of leading sports drinks, which means it works faster and more efficiently to hydrate you. Based on the World Health Organization's gold standard of rehydration, known as oral rehydration solution, this mix helps replenish vital fluids and electrolytes, bringing your body back to 100%. The tropical punch flavor adds a delicious twist to your hydration routine, so you're not just drinking water with a hint of flavor. Instead, you're getting a refreshing, tropical experience with every sip. It's perfect for anyone, from athletes to travelers, to those recovering from illness. Simply mix 1 packet with 8 to 16 ounces of water, shake or stir, and enjoy the fast-acting hydration. This product also boasts convenience, as it comes in a box with 8 individual packets, making it easy to carry and use whenever needed. Whether you're at the gym, on the go, or just at home, these single-serving packets ensure you can hydrate anytime, anywhere. Cure Hydration is not just for athletes. It's an ideal solution for anyone who needs effective rehydration. It's caffeine-free, gluten-free, and certified kosher, so you can rest assured that it's a safe, healthy choice for everyone in the family, from kids 1 year and older to adults. So, if you're looking to stay hydrated, feel energized, and recover faster, Cure Hydration's electrolyte drink mix is definitely worth trying. Say goodbye to sugary drinks and give your body the nourishment it needs. Make Cure Hydration your go-to for powerful, plant-based hydration today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews like this one. Stay hydrated and take care.